What's up, guys? I'm sure you must have heard OnePlus release Android Pie update for OnePlus 6, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it without losing any data. Download the required zip file into your internal storage into the root directory. Then go to Settings, Software Update, and select Local Upgrade. You will see the file which you had already downloaded. Just click on it and hit install. The software will start to update. It'll take a minute or two to install it. I'll fast forward it to 100%. Once 100% is done, just hit reboot and phone will reboot and install the software. You'll get a bootloader like this, and after a minute or so, you'll boot into the software. Enter your passcode as before, and it says phone is upgrading and it's done. This is so simple and you will not lose any data, and you don't need computer or any other thing for this. Let's take a look at settings, how the redesigned settings panel look. Go to about phone and software update. It's showing updated. Everyone must be curious about the navigation bar, which is new in Android Pie. So let's try to see if they have it. Yes, they do. The all new navigation bar in Android Pie is here. You can swipe right and left to go to the app which you want. Press and hold for assistant. Swipe up and let go in between for multitasking. And swipe up to close the app. Quick slide to right gives you the last used app. That's how the app drawer looks, same as before. The color calibration modes, sRGB, PCI 3 all work fine. Let's try to change the accent color. Let's select the red one. Now let's try a different theme, dark one maybe. Works well. Let's go home and see the notification bar. Nice. The animations are very smooth. The notch display also works if anyone wants to know. Let's go to light theme again and see the red accent in notification bar. Looks amazing. If you're wondering where did the battery percentage go, you need not worry. Just go to status bar option, battery percentage, network signal. All the other menus are also available here. No omissions from the stable version. Even in this brief time period which I have used, I can say the animations are really smooth. especially the switch animations. Let's try to change the wallpaper and see how it appears one more time. Let's try the dark theme and see the dialer menu. The volume slider animation has been redesigned and it defaults to media volume first. The OnePlus alert slider works as advertised before. Let's see if I can install an app. This is Android messages. Yes, it can install. I tried installing Android Pay as well. It does install. I need to set it up. Maybe I'll do it later on. Really loving the software. It's buttery smooth, the animations are crisp, and no lags, no stutter, no omission of features. I cannot say anything about the battery life yet. Maybe tomorrow I can comment on it. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Hope you like this video and sorry for the bad light. See you in my next video.